Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass.
Today's lesson: slangs, English, Portuguese. It's on the tip of my tongue.
You are sure you know something but you don't remember it at the moment.
Tá na ponta da língua.
I know his name, it's on the tip of my tongue. A chip off the old block.
Someone who is very similar to the father or mother.
Filho de peixe, peixinho é. Tal pai, tal filho.
My father was a doctor, and I am a chip off the old block.
In a jiffy.
A very short period of time.
É vapt-vupt, é rapidinho.
It will be delivered in a jiffy.
It's the bee's knees.
Be excellent. Be of very high quality.
É top, é o máximo.
Have you tried this cake? It's the bee's knees. By the book.
Strictly according to the rules.
Seguir à risca.
During the audit, the financial team had managed the accounts by the book, leaving no room for discrepancies.